Hello everyone, good day, let's get into it. Jim Cramer recently made a huge statement about the Palantir and NIO stock. He said Palantir will surpass $200, and it's certain, $200 per share.
At 150, I said it's going to go to 200, and I am not backing away from that. I know.
And while at the same time he's telling investors to sell their NIO, to stay away from NIO.
Now let's stay away from that one.
But here's the shocking part. After his comment, Palantir stock actually dropped like a rock, down to $142 today. And right now it's at $149. So it's what is really going on here? We're going to take a quick look at a couple of fundamentals to see how ridiculous this statement are. Jim Cramer, he's a well-known voice of Wall Street. I think he's a great guy, but he's been a hedge fund manager and he runs Mad Money. And millions of investors follow his advice, or do they? And now when he said the Palantir will pass $200 a share, at the same time he said to stay away from NIO, which is a very strong statement. But how did the market react? Completely opposite. Palantir has been sinking. NIO, on the other hand, has been gaining in value. We surpassed $5. We're still more than $5 per share. So let's talk some fundamentals. Here it is. Palantir currently trades at a price to sales ratio of 116. About 116. Let that sink in. That means investors are paying $116 for every single dollar of revenue that Palantir generates. Compare that to NIO, the Chinese EV maker, the great one. NIO's PS ratio is just a little bit over 1. So that is an absolutely massive difference in valuation. So let's put this into perspective. Palantir, well, it has an exciting AI story. It's a great company. But at these valuations, NIO should be a multi-$100 stock. On the other hand, NIO, despite all the challenges in the EV sector and the competition and all of that, is trading at valuation that are dramatically lower. If you believe in buying undervalued companies with real growth potential, then NIO looks like a bargain compared to a company like Palantir. So if NIO share would be decided only by PS ratio, NIO should have a stock value of almost $600 per share. So if we go after that PS ratio, let's go to $600 and then we can talk. So it's gonna be really interesting and it's a big question for investors. If you follow this hype like this hedge funds, some of the hedge funds are saying to follow like Palantir and other companies that has like this really high PS ratio, it's priced like it's a multi-trillion-dollar company, and the NIO meanwhile is sitting just over 1 time the sales. And valuation, it's a valuation you almost never see in growth companies. Like NIO is a great growth company. Maybe the real opportunity is not where Wall Street tells you to look. Sometimes it is, but this is obvious. So, what do you think? Is Jim Cramer right about Palantir going over 100 and that NIO is going down? What do you think about the future of NIO? What should we do in this moment? Let me know in the comments below. It's very interesting to hear what you have to say. any thoughts, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button to get a notification for the next one. So have a great day and see you to the next time. Ciao.